Hello everyone, I am getting dressed, about to head out to grab dinner with one of my friends and trying to figure out what I want to wear tonight. So it's a little chilly, it has been raining all day, so I think I'm going to wear something comfy and casual but yet a little bit cute. So we are going to pair these pair of pants that I got from H&M last year. They're like little white linen pants. And then I'm going to wear this basic white tee from Madewell underneath this sweater from J. Crew. I like that it has a V-neck, so you will be able to see the white peeking through, which I love. Makes it feel a little bit more casual, but still put together. I'm just gonna leave my hair all natural. I decided to go with some sneakers, so I'm just wearing these from Target. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog of mine, back with another few days in the life. If you're new, hi, my name is Taya and welcome. I'm finally hopping on and introducing this vlog. Kind of did a little montage of my evening. I just did some makeup and got dressed, about to head out the door to grab some dinner with one of my friends for her birthday. I'm about to switch out my purse before heading out. This is my everyday purse and I love her, but I want a little bit of a bigger purse for tonight so I can put everything that I need for the night out on the town. So this bag is from Anthropologie. It is the Bottega dupe and it fits everything I need for a night out and just holds literally all my shit. So I love this bag, but I'm going to put my wallet in because that's definitely important. And I love the little pockets, so it helps keep this Mary Poppins bag organized. So I like to put my wallet in an easy access compartment. And then my favorite chapstick lately has been the Starface in the flavor Magic Mint. And I love how compact and tiny this thing is. So I carry this everywhere I go. And then obviously my keys, some tissues, because the pollen here in Ohio is unreal. Like, it's become the point where I have to carry tissues and Benadryl. That's when you know it's bad. One of these, because it's that time of the month. Always carry gum. I just pretty much refill this, but it's just the Mentos Pure Fresh gum. Love to have that always on hand. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, the little top things, yeah, they are. I think the little top things are clubs, yes.
That's right.
Do something good. Oh, I didn't even know that car. Aww. Aww. Our AI world now is come to virtual fireworks. Yeah. Are they gonna do anything else? I'm really tiny.
If you were actually like drunk or high, I think I would be like,
I'd be tripping for
like, what is going on right now?
I don't know. Hi guys, we are leaving dinner now. We ended up having a little bit of changes to the evening. I booked a restaurant for Italian, but then we decided that we kind of wanted something more chill. I live in, obviously, Columbus, and this week is Memorial Week, so it was super crowded and super busy, and honestly, we kind of just want to do something more chill, so we ended up just going and getting some Mexican food, and then dropped her off, and there was like this AI type of showing that you kind of saw a little bit of. It was actually the coolest thing ever, and we sat and watched that up on the top of the rooftop, and now I'm heading home, and I'm so excited. It's been a long day for sure, but that is a little recap on the evening. Like I mentioned, I am doing a couple of days in the life, so I'm going to head home, and then I will chat with you guys in the morning. I'm going to listen to some music and just kind of decompress from the evening. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. All right. It's time to make our morning coffee. I just set up this machine a couple minutes ago, and thought we would make our first cup of coffee together. This is the new Breville Touch machine. I still have my other one and I love her. She's just going into storage, but I wanted to try and gear away from pods and more like freshly ground coffee. So I picked up this Spunknik coffee the other day when I was at Fresh Time, and I'm excited to try it. Though I have been doing some research and they said that there's a lot of trial and error trying to get your coffee perfectly. So, for instance, there's a special balance coffee ratio, and I feel like this is going to be the hardest part to get down, because you have to do it based off the grind size, and then there's like a little dial right here on the side, and then it also is based off of the the grind, and then there's this brew time as well. So I'm still working on this, trying to figure it out, but I thought we would try and make our coffee together. I haven't really made a coffee yet. I was kind of just doing research and figuring out how to set it up, how to get everything working. So let's try and make our coffee together. Why I picked this machine in particular is because I love that it has this display of all of these types of coffees that you can make at home, which is super nice and convenient, especially if you're like a new time coffee lover or you're just getting into it. This is like the perfect machine. So they have like espresso, Americano, latte, flat white, cappuccino, hot milk, and this feature is what I love the best. It's the add new cup, so you can put your name on it and you can have any of the settings that you would like, whether it's the grind, the brew, how hot you would like the milk, or how hot you would like the shot itself. So a lot of different variations, which makes it very easy, obviously a touch of a button and within the comfort of your own home. So I'm going to make a espresso today. It was on 15. Let's try 18. Fabulous, nice and fresh. The color looks good, which I'm happy about. So the real test is when we try it out. All right. Looks beautiful. The coloration is perfect, especially for the first time. Oh my gosh. Yum. Definitely will play more around with it for the perfect shot, but this is pretty par. Yum. So good. I'm going to enjoy this, and then we're gonna get ready for the day. Heading out right now to the farmer's market. It is Saturday morning around 9 a.m. and I'm about to head to the farmer's market and find some fresh produce, some flowers, and I'm so excited. I just love the farmer's market. The fact that everything is freshly grown in a garden and the prices are so reasonably good compared to like your average grocery store. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna take you along with me.
You know what great convenience has like
Got some greens.
The one you want? Yeah.
Hi guys, we just got back from the farmer's market. Wanted to do a little farmer's market haul of everything that we picked up. First, this fresh sourdough. We're gonna do a little grilling. We're gonna grill some chicken, have a little side salad, and some bread. So, picked up some nice fresh sourdough. And then I saw this cute little store that had some fun little trinkets. So I picked up 2 glass straws that have little cherries on them for my coffees in the morning. Thought these were adorable. So I'm excited to have my morning coffee with these. And then they had a fresh guacamole stand and salsa stand. So I picked up some fresh guacamole for a little snack. And then last, we picked up some fresh eggs and a nice salad, which looks delicious, a little house salad. And then I picked up some farm fresh eggs, which look terrific. I picked up the most stunning bouquet of flowers that smell terrific. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all put into a vase and put all the food in the fridge, and then probably change. We're gonna go to the mall and do a little shopping, and then tonight we're gonna go do some golf at Top Golf. But before I change, I thought I would just show you guys real quick the outfit that I'm wearing today. Little overview. My little farmer's market outfit. A little black sundress that I got last year from Madewell. It has this eyelet detailing on the bottom, and then I'm wearing these little black mesh ballet flats from Nordstrom Rack last year as well. So didn't know if it was gonna be chilly today, so I paired it with this white little cardigan from Calvert's. So this was the farmer's market fit, but I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away, change, and catch you guys once we head to the mall. Oh, and I totally forgot that I picked up a cute little dress while I was there. They had some pop-up clothing stores. So let's show you guys. There's this little boutique called King's Collection, and I saw this dress. Thought this would be perfect going out with some friends. This is what the dress looks like, and love how cute it is. And then I thought it would look cute paired with these shoes. So I'm excited. Hopefully they fit. I obviously didn't try it on because they didn't have any fitting rooms. So I'm gonna try that on, see if it fits, let you know whether or not I'm gonna keep it.
Big chunks of avocado.
Hey guys, they didn't last as long because the place was like low-key really hot in here. It was, the temperature is here.
You said that the flowers really like it cold water like that?
Yeah. Here are the flowers that we got from the farmer's market. How pretty. Here's the dress. Super, super cute, but too short. So unfortunately, she's gonna go back. I just changed for the mall into this outfit. My blouse is from J. Jill, and then my white jeans are from Loft. My brown little slides, I think were from Francesca's like 6 years ago. Like, these puppies have been through the trenches with me, you guys. And a little white claw clip from H&M or J. Crew, I forget. So here's the overall fit. Sorry about the horrible lighting, but just made it to Anthropologie, doing a little bit of shopping. I love their PJ line. They always have the best selection. These are adorable. They have a lot of like coastal pieces right now out. Cutest little outfits. Like this PJ set is darling. And I love a good little boxer short. These are so fun, the little cherries. But I love a good little seersucker striped short. The little fish, so cute. How fun are these croissants? Oh, it's a bathrobe. So cute. I love. This purse is the cutest for like going out for like little date night. I love. at Sephora right now, picking up the Ilia milk. Here's option 1. This is a no. The top is just a little too low for my liking, and the pants are a bit too long as well. Obviously, I know I could get them hemmed, but I don't love them, so. Alright, same bottoms, different top. This top, super cute, but does not zipper fully on the sides. So, also a no-go. White denim jacket, I love, but it's definitely, I think, a little too oversized. Thanks for trying on some pieces with me. Okay. Anthropologie, I got one thing.
So it looks so it's something like that. So it's a coconut-based soup. That one's got turmeric in it. And you have a new.
Wait, you made that for Dad when he FaceTimed me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's what the ramen looks like. This one's a turmeric one. The other one I do is, I like better. We both like better. But yeah, so it's.
How cute. They got little chilies on them. They're very similar to
Where you
this.
going?
Huh? Oh, they definitely changed them over the years. This one I had like 4 years ago. Wow, interesting. It's a little thicker and wide, like wider, and this is more narrower. So got that. Then at Sephora, I got one thing, which is this Ilia, the base face milk primer. Ooh, that looks delicious.
So it's a pesto pasta.
I would have
and
added-
strawberries, mozzarella balls.
Everything but the strawberries look delicious.
Yep. Yes, her.
It's like a
Face
milk base face cream. Because as summer rolls around, I can't wear moisturizer because it makes me super, super oily. But this is a lot lighter. So that is what I picked up from Sephora. And lastly is Zara. This was technically $3 because I had a $50 gift card from Mimi.
That doesn't mean it's $3.
Yeah, it does. Girl math. They don't understand. It's a oversized white denim jacket. Let me show you how it fits.
Looks like a $53 jacket to me.
Ha ha ha. But cute, huh?
That's really cute.
This is what it would look like if I rolled it up. This, if I don't roll it up. I love it. I'm gonna bring this when we go to Bar Harbor. It's a nice summer, if it's chilly out. And that's my haul. Heavy on the cubes, yeah. Dinner is some chicken, fresh salad from the farmer's markets, and currently toasting some bread.
Oh, so you gotta go in the middle. How many do we hit there?
3. Oh, you got them all. Are you kidding me? You got them all. You and Karthik both got 3 stars.
That was 3 stars. So yeah, me, 30 years of
Actually gonna use a different one. Leave it smaller.
make all this templates. After that, automation there, what is the communication working, and all the apps about how the data is stored, all the messages. Yeah, it's like templates of whatever, how the data is stored.